It's the holidays, Dubrow edition. So here we are. It is officially the holiday season. And as you know, we celebrate everything. We celebrate the opening of an envelope, and I am just excited that it's Christmaka. Okay, not really, but that's what we're gonna call it tonight. We've already set up for Christmas, but tonight is the big Hanukkah event in the Dubrow house. So you're gonna see a little Christmas, a little Hanukkah, a little everything, and then we're gonna eat and drink and be merry. So follow along. I'm gonna show you all of our decorations this year and show you how we do Hanukkah too. Last year I thought was a very elegant Christmas, and I wanted the house wrapped like one of those buildings in Manhattan where you see they do those elaborate bows outside, and it was so beautiful. I absolutely loved it. This year, I was going for a little bit more of a clean, modern look. I think these trees are really cool, and I love the sparkle and I love the mirror. We're walking, and we're still walking. So follow me into the great room and I'll show you what we're doing. I am completely obsessed with the colors that we did this year. We did these like soft golds and rosé for the champs, and then added this beautiful burgundy because actually Max said it wasn't Christmassy enough when I showed her the color palette. I absolutely love it. I love the way it turned out. I love this whole area here and all of our stockings, and the disco ball gives it a little bit of fun and a little bit of glitter. But you have got to see what is on the island this year. It's epic. All right, this is so fun. So this is the Dubrow Pastry Shop, and it's keeping with our theme and our colors. Just really classic, whimsical items, all in our color scheme. I love it. It looks like a little store. And we will use all of these cookies and all of these little elements when we decorate our big gingerbread house. But speaking of gingerbread houses, check it out. It's Chateau Dubrow as a gingerbread house. Come on, that's awesome. And here's the loggia in the back. I mean, clearly not done to scale. That would be a lot of gingerbread. Besides those beautiful trees that we have downstairs, we always do a family tree. We always pick a night to decorate the tree, and we make hot chocolate and we hang out and we decorate the tree. Sometimes some of the kids get into a fight, sometimes they don't. We always make up at the end, but it always turns out to be a really fun family event. And it's really cool to go through all of the ornaments that we've collected through the years and remember what was going on in everyone's lives at the time. I got some really cool ones this year that are special surprises for the kids, and they're kind of tearjerkers, so I can't wait for them to see it. On Christmas Eve, we put on our matching pajamas. Yes, they're still willing to wear the matching pajamas. And we do Secret Santa. So that's when we open up our Secret Santa gift between the 6 of us and see what everyone got. And we bake reindeer food, and we throw reindeer food out on the front lawn so that, you know, the reindeer come, so that Santa knows where to go to leave the presents. And it's a really great evening. Do you guys remember my advent calendar idea from last year? It was the punch box. It was so fun. So we did it again, but look at this. It is a gingerbread Chateau Dubrow replica punch box. Is that insane? Yes, it's totally insane. You can see we've punched a few already. It's been great. I love this whole idea. And I got really sad the other day because I realized that the twins are going to be in college next year, so they won't be here from day one. Oh, Kat, it's your turn.
Oh, we're going in age order.
Yeah, it's your turn. So you want to punch the box? Number 3 it is. Just punch it.
Nail it.
Yeah, there we go.
World's thinnest charger.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, it's pretty sick, actually.
What?
I love Hanukkah. And you know what's really great? My children love this holiday, partially because homemade latkes by mom, and let's face it, I really don't cook any other time. So it's like a rare event, and they love it, which is cool. The ones I made today, between us, not the best ones I've ever done, but it's okay. It'll be fine, they'll love them. we'll smother them in applesauce. They'll never know the difference. So we all sit around and we have dinner and we play dreidel games and we have some prizes over there, and it just becomes a big, loud, fun, laughing, amazing event. Well, that is the Dubrow holiday season in a nutshell. And all I have to say is thanks so much for supporting all of us. And we wish all of you, wherever and however you celebrate, an incredible holiday season and a magical new year.